Ladies and gentlemen, the rum and pineapple bowl. I kind of created this one. This one is kind of me. Well, I copied something. I saw someone have a fruit bowl and I was like, hey, let's just do it in the pineapple. Okay, so here's what you do. You cut a pineapple in half. You go all the way through the top piece too, if you can, okay? And then you go inside and you hull it out, okay? A nice little hull going on there because you're creating a bowl. There's some places they actually serve you dinner in your pineapple, like rice and meat and everything inside a pineapple that's been, that's kind of converted into a bowl, which is super, super cool, okay? I guess to fight global warming, we'll probably go back to this one day where we're eating out of pineapples and apples and oranges. I'm just, things to come. Why we taking stuff out in slow motion? Check this out, okay? So you get all that out, scoop that out, beautiful, okay? That's our bowl. Now watch this. We have those pineapple chunks we took out, we put in a glass. We have mango chunks in there. And so what I want to do is just a little quick infusion, add in some coconut rum, okay? Add in some spiced rum to the other one. So we have pineapple and coconut rum, mango and spiced rum, okay? And you just let those sit. The reason being is because it's like a little fruit bowl. We can let it sit because you eating these fruits, okay? It's a Tipsy Bartender salad. Let it sit there for a second, okay? Undo it. And then we drop that in, okay? Check that out. Look at the pineapple in it. Oh my goodness. Okay, delicioso. I'm loving this. Then you come behind with the mango. Woo! Woo! Now here's what I would do. I mean, you could do too. Just pour in a little bit of rum too, Then we come over the top of that with pineapple coconut ice cream, okay? Some of y'all like, okay, we're tapping out. We don't believe in booze and ice cream. But hey, you don't know what you're missing out. I'm sure you've had a spiked milkshake. It's the same thing. It's just that we have in some fruits in here. Put some strawberries in there, okay? Now grab yourself a big spoon, homeboy, because it's time to go to work. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is heaven on earth. Oh, if I wasn't on a diet right now. Amen.